Right. Now that we know how to create matrices in a step-by-step manner, let's quickly make a matrix and make all of it in one line of code. GDP, this is what I'll call the matrix. Then I'll pass in some values. I'll define the end row, and I will set by row to be true. And now let's move on to naming both the rows and the columns at the same time. Okay, so to set the names for both rows and columns at the same time, I will use the argument called dimNames, and I will pass a list of vector names as its values. The list function shouldn't intimidate you at all, just bear that in mind, and we will discuss it in much more detail when we talk about lists. The only reason I'm using it here is so you can start feeling more comfortable with longer pieces of code. After all, the ultimate goal of this course is to teach you to be an efficient analyst, which means doing as few redundant operations as possible. Okay, back to the dimNames argument. DimNames looks like this. This is the list, and these are the two vectors of names I am passing into the list. Alright, look at it, this is a single line of code. Alright, let's execute it and print GDP so we can see what we did. Look at this beauty! Okay, and we made all of that with a single command? Very nice work, everyone. Great job. Okay, let's recap what we covered in the last 2 lessons. We know how to make matrices with the matrix function. It comes with a bunch of arguments, the most commonly used ones being nRow, nCol, and byRow. Naming the dimensions of a matrix is very easily done. We just need the row names and col names functions. Alternatively, you can name a matrix as part of the matrix function using the dimNames argument. Finally, you can make an entire matrix by binding vectors with rbind or cbind, or you can add rows and columns to an already existing structure. Fantastic! Okay, well, I will see you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching, and may the code be with you.
For more videos like this one, please subscribe.